Hello everyone, I am Madhurendra Kumar and my group members name is Pratik Parkhar and Anushka Pawar, and my topic is noise removing filter design. Index, introductions, problem statements, use blocks and implementation and reference. Problem statement. Designing the digital filters that to be used to remove or filter out noise from a signal. Introductions. Noise reduction is a process of removing noise from a signals, and noise reduction techniques exist from audio and image. Then it is connected to the simulating parts, scope and sine wave, high pass filters, low pass filters, etc. There are several regions from ideals, low pass filters, band pass filters and high pass filters. Then filters not be used in real life. The design the digital filters using the windowing techniques is an alternative to ideal filters. These filters can be implemented to FIR filters and to make a use for well known as Blackman's Hamming, Hanning and Kessler windows. The shortcoming from digital filters design the windowing techniques is that one cannot individual controls the designing parameters to filters. Then it is the description for mathematical terms from the noise removing filter designs. Then y of n is equal to minus summation of k limit from k1 to n, then a k y n minus k plus summation of k 0 to m b of k x n minus k, then also h of k summation of k 0 to m b of k z minus k divided by 1 plus summation of k 1 to n a of k z minus k. Block used to simulate models. The sine wave source block is to connected time source. The zero order hold block to use to connected to discrete time and thus act to like to analog to digital converters. Then high pass filters to configure to about impulse response. Higher filters minimum order for fs stop fs is equal to stop band frequency and 80,000 and f stop to 30,000 f pass at 300 at and a stop of 60 and a pass is equal to of 1. A minimum order to stable filter designed to name of low pass Butterworth filters, and then also to minimum to a stable low pass filters type of the just low pass analog filters to interpolate to a digital output and digital filters thus act to a digital to analog converter. And then also type from IIR types high pass filter to minimum orders filters. Then and it is a scope allowing to the just amount for time to range to the display our scope for blocks due to the various graph to the implementation from audio and noise removing filters. Then it is the block diagrams for simulating part. Sine wave then connected to zero orders hold, it is the zero order holds, then also connect from a scope 1, and then also it is zero order connect from adder, it is part from adders, Then also connect from random source. Then random source also connect from high pass filters. Then it is random source or high pass filter, both are connected to adder. And then adder also connect from the uh, smoothing filters, smooth filters, smooth filters. It is the smooth filters. It will also connect from a scope, and then also connect from low pass filters. Also connect low pass connected to smooth filters, both joining for also connect from the scope. And then low pass filters connected from the scope, the 1 2 3 4 scope. Then also connect from 4, and then it is the scope 3 result will be simulating part. And then it is result from scope 1, from the simulating parts from configure to the filters, and then nodes. And then it is the configure from the simulating parts to how to configure the given links from descriptions, and which you have go through the links and understand how to do, and have to do the process for noise removing filter designs for implementation for simulating parts. Thank you. Then also from parts from reference, and then also notes also, to the description links, how to proceed from noise removing filter designs. Then go through and read thoroughly, and then concept will be clear out. Thank you.